Can you really make money on Fiverr? We investigated the top-selling gigs to find out. Fiverr has earned quite the reputation as being one of the most legit places to make money online, especially if you're just starting out in your career and can't afford more expensive options like Upwork or Freelancer. But how legit is it really? Can you really make money on Fiverr? How much can you make? What kind of jobs are worth bidding on, and what kind should you avoid? The best services for all budgets. 1. If you're looking for an affordable way to get ahead of the competition, Fiverr is a great option. 2. With over 300 million gigs completed, there's a service for everyone and every budget. 3. The most popular services on Fiverr are logo design, social media marketing, and video editing. 4. You can also find services for website development, SEO, and copywriting. 5. Prices range from $5 to $500, with most services falling in the $50 to $100 range. 6. To get started, simply create an account and browse through the available gigs. 7. Once you find a gig you're interested in, simply click Order Now and follow the instructions. 8. Payment options include PayPal, Skrill, or any other major credit card. 9. After payment is confirmed, your order will be fulfilled by the seller within 24 hours or less. 10. A few sellers even offer discounts for first-time buyers. 11. Get ahead of the competition with these high-demand low-competition gigs on Fiverr. How to do well on Fiverr. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, you've probably considered Fiverr. After all, it's an easy platform to use and there are tons of gigs to choose from. But can you really make money on Fiverr? We investigated the top-selling gigs to find out. According to our research, most people don't seem to be making much money on Fiverr, with only one gig actually generating enough revenue in the past month to be declared profitable, although admittedly this is just one gig. Fiverr is not what it used to be, but there is still plenty of opportunities if you know where to look. The most profitable gigs that we found included video editing services at $11 per hour and voiceover services at $6 per hour. These two high-demand, low-competition gigs were highly rated by customers and were also very popular among freelancers as well. And because they offer so many different types of services to choose from, there's bound to be something you're good at or enjoy doing. We also came across some other interesting findings about the market for high-demand, low-competition gigs on Fiverr. Customers generally prefer hourly rates over fixed-price projects. Higher prices did not necessarily lead to better customer ratings. No more than 10% of buyers ever leave feedback reviews. And while they may not always have a lot of jobs available, these gigs do have room for growth potential over time. The pros and cons of starting a business on Fiverr. If you're thinking about starting a business on Fiverr, there are a few things you should know. On the plus side, it's a great platform for entrepreneurs with low startup costs. You can also make a decent income if you find the right gig and market yourself well. However, there is a lot of competition on Fiverr, so it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd. Plus, because most gigs are priced at $5, you'll need to sell a lot of them to make a significant income. And as we discovered in our investigation into the top-selling products on Fiverr, that could take years. With over 600 sellers offering design services, for example, your odds of competing against all those designers for customer attention are slim. Finally, the online marketplace is often rife with customer complaints, although customer service was responsive when we contacted them. Fiverr provides an excellent opportunity to get started selling goods and services online, but there are some pitfalls along the way. Tips for using SEO to stand out from the crowd. 1. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are 3 to 5 word phrases that are specific to what you're selling. They're less competitive than shorter, more general keywords, so they're easier to rank for. In addition, when people use those longer search terms in their searches, they're often looking for a deeper and richer knowledge base of information. So not only will your website appear higher on search engine results pages, SERPs, but it'll also be seen as a more reliable source of information about your topic. 2. Target-related terms. These are words or phrases that people might type into Google after searching for a related term, like long-term care insurance. For example, someone who searched for cheap homeowners insurance might then enter an insurance quote into the search bar next. By targeting these related terms, marketers can reach users at different stages of their buying journey and help them make educated decisions throughout every step of the process. 3. Optimize content around keywords, which is especially important if you want to do SEO on a smaller budget. One way to do this is by adding relevant keywords to the title tags and meta descriptions for each page. These two components are what show up in SERPs, so including keywords in them is essential for ranking highly, especially when competing against larger sites with more resources available to invest in SEO optimization. The most important thing is that whatever keywords you target should align with your business goals. If your goal is brand awareness, find some relevant popular topics from big media companies like ABC News or Huffington Post and provide coverage of these issues from an expert perspective. If you will love to join Fiverr, sign-up link is in the description box. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.